It's a transporter. Welcome back, episode 2. Does it look any different?
It's a different van.
Ryan's had his paintbrush out, two-toned, chucked some windows in. Big shout out to Paul Greenwood, vehicle refinishes from Longridge. Very good job, wasn't it, Ryan?
It's always good.
Always good job. If you want any work doing, in the Lancashire area, get to him. Link in the description below for the paintwork. Mention after hours and he'll put 20% on your price. And also big shout out to Rose Windscreens, Walton-le-Dale. They've done a cracking job. I thought he was going to open that door into that wheel then. That would have been good.
Never do such a thing.
That's something I'd do. And if you use your imagination, that is how it's going to look.
That wheel's on. Just think, it's right.
Why don't people do that?
Yeah.
It's old school and new school.
Should we
Old school, new school. That's it, isn't it?
put that one on, then put one on the driver's front?
Yeah, get it tracked up. But it's looking lovely. What was the colour? Indium grey?
Indium grey. Yeah.
Indium grey.
And we put in windows here. That's
Yeah.
what we need to know.
Did we mess up there? Does it need windows in the back?
We need to know if we're going back.
Yeah.
And putting,
I
more
think
money in Red Rose's hands.
I think it needs windows, lads and ladies, and other genders. So, yeah, it's looking absolutely lovely, and I've just stepped in a massive puddle, so that's good, isn't it? But obviously we've got the inside to do.
Let's move the wheel before we open the door.
Yeah, let's move the wheel. The inside's still a bit of a state, but we have got
Some goodies.
some insulation, sound deadening, and carpets, and a new floor coming as well.
Yeah, floor's on its way, because the last one had gone, unfortunately.
And then obviously inside still needs a clean. I did do a little square, so it will look a bit like that. But it's looking well. It's looking really well. So again, shout out to Greenwood Vehicle Refinishes in Longridge and Red Rose Windscreens. And I will show you what they've done in the next few clips.